Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add effects to favorite in Capcut PC. If you guys like a certain effects and you want to add it into your favorite effects, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So if you are in mobile, you can just long press the effects to add it to your favorites, but it's slightly different in CapCut PC. So first, I'm going to click on the effects option first, and here are the effects on CapCut. So let's say that okay, I'm going to click on blink right here, and I want to add these shining sparkles into my favorite. So in PC it's so easy, so you can just put your cursor to your favorite effects and you'll find the star option. Just click on that, so until it turns to yellow like this, and you can also add more than one effects to your favorite. For example, I want to add some retro effects to my favorite. Okay, this one's right here. And then when you want to find your favorite effect, you can just click on effects, and then here there is favorites. Click on that, and your favorites effects will be show up at the top in here. Okay, so I think that's all. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in the comment. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.